Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Clash of Clans on Linux. Many users believe this is a complex task, but with the right tools, it's quite straightforward. We'll walk through the process step by step, focusing on using an Android emulator. This method provides a stable and familiar environment for your favorite mobile games. Get ready to bring your Clash of Clans village to your Linux desktop. Choosing the right Android emulator is crucial for a smooth experience. Waydroid is an excellent choice, offering near-native performance by running Android in a container. Anbox is another robust alternative, integrating well with your Linux desktop. Both options allow you to run Android applications seamlessly. Follow the specific installation instructions for your preferred emulator to get started. Once your emulator is installed, the next step is to set it up correctly. You'll want to configure settings like resolution and allocated memory for the best performance. Then, it's essential to install Google Play Store services inside the emulator. This allows you to access the official App Store. After installation, simply log in with your existing Google account to unlock all its features. With the Google Play Store ready, finding Clash of Clans is simple. Open the Play Store within your emulator, search for the game, and click Install. The download and installation process will be identical to that on any Android phone or tablet. Once installed, you can launch Clash of Clans and start building your village. Enjoy the game on your Linux machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.